Vetrivel! 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 श्री येडप्पा का के पलानीस्वामी, श्री नयनार नागेंद्रन, डॉक्टर आर अंबुमणि, श्री टीटीवी दिनाकरन, श्री के अन्नामलाई, श्री एल मुरुगन, श्री के सी थिरुमारन, श्री जी के वासन, डॉक्टर ए सी सन्मुगम, डॉक्टर बी जॉन पांडियन, श्री एम जगनमूर्ति, डॉक्टर टी आर पारिवेंदर, श्री पीयूष गोयल, श्री आर बी उदय कुमार, श्री डिंडिगल श्रीनिवासन, श्रीमती तमिलसाई सौंदरराजन, श्री शेरू राजा, all other leaders on the stage, and the beloved people of Tamil Nadu, Anaivarukam Vanakkam. First of all, I bow to Amma Meenakshi and Bhagwan Sundareshwara. This is Pandya Nadu, the land of Viram. From this great land, I remember the contributions of Pasumpon Muthuram Lingam Tevar, Maviran Alagumuttukon, Veer Pandya Kattabomman, and Marudu brothers. I also recollect the ideals of Emmanuel Sekernar, who fought for justice and dignity. Friends, before coming here, I went to Tirupuran Kundrum. Getting the darshan of Bhagwan Murugan was a divine experience. I prayed for the prosperity of Tamil Nadu and the entire nation. At the same time, my heart felt heavy. I remembered Thirupuran Chandran, the young devotee who sacrificed his life. Today, I met his wife, Thirumati Indumati Purnachandran, and their two little children. I felt their sadness and offered my deepest condolences to them. I pray that Thirupuranachandran's Atma finds peace at the feet of Bhagwan Murugan. It is painful that the insensitivity of the DMK government led up to this. No matter what DMK does, the truth will win devotees of Bhagwan Murugan will win. Friends, Madurai is known for the sweetness of Tamil and the fragrance of Malligaipu. The love you are showering upon me here reminds me of my visit to Malaysia last month. The affection I received from my Tamil sisters and brothers there was exceptional. To support Tamil culture there, we have already established the Tiruvalluvar chair at the University of Malay. Now we are also setting up Tiruvalluvar Center there. Friends, some people are dreaming of returning to power in Tamil Nadu. But when they see this massive NDA rally, their dreams will turn into nightmares. The people know that this election is a turning point for the state. I can see that Tamil Nadu has made up its mind. The people have decided that DMK has to be sent out. They also know very clearly that only NDA can bring in change. I can see it in your eyes. The next government of Tamil Nadu will be an NDA government. Friends, in 2021, after 25 long years, DMK got a full majority on its own. But they did not deliver good governance. They looted the state. Further dynastic politics and ignored people's aspirations. Look at Madurai itself. Madurai stood with MGR, who loved the city immensely. That is why DMK had never liked Madurai. DMK brought mafia-style politics to Madurai. They gave bad roads, poor drainage, and lack of waste management. They took Madurai to the bottom of national ranking in cleanliness. Even the DMK mayor of Madurai had to resign due to corruption. This is their model. Money for themselves. Problems for the people. DMK neither works for the poor nor lets others work. Let me give you an example. Under PM Awas Yojana, PMAY Rural, the scheme over 6 lakh houses have been completed in Tamil Nadu. These families got a home of their own and live with dignity because of this scheme. At the same time, nearly 3 lakh houses remain pending because DMK government is not conducting surveys and is delaying process. Why should lakhs of poor families suffer for DMK's petty politics? Friends, Tamil Nadu is a coastal state and has immense potential. But when the Congress and DMK were in power together before 2014, they were asleep. Madura-Vayal corridor was stalled. Thoothukudi transshipment remained only on paper. After 2014, we received the Chennai port. We revived that Chennai port, Madura-Vayal elevated corridor. We created India's first mega port cluster by integrating Kamarajar and Chennai ports. Capacity at Kamarajar port nearly tripled in the last 12 years. 74 projects worth almost 12,000 crore rupees were completed. These created thousands of jobs and new economic opportunities for Tamil Nadu. These people who speak about Tamil Nadu's rights did nothing when they were in power at the center. Friends, the old Pamban bridge to Rameshwaram stood for over 100 years. After such a long time, it should have been replaced. But what did DMK and Congress do for 10 years between 2004 and 2014? Trains had to go at slow speeds, but their government files moved even slower. It was our government that sanctioned a modern Pamban bridge. Last year, I had the privilege to inaugurate it. We showed speed in our work, and now trains can also move faster. The annual railway allocation to Tamil Nadu was about 880 crore rupees during 2009 and 14. This was when Congress, DMK were in power at the center. Now, in 2026-27, it is more than 7,600 crore rupees, about 8 times more. When they could do something for the state, Congress, DMK did nothing. But today, they talk big. Friends, today, the women of Tamil Nadu are in deep trouble. Crime is increasing. Every other day, we hear of some crimes against women. Further, women are seeing their families destroyed by drug mafia and alcohol. They remember how much better their lives used to be in Amma Jayalalitha's rule. But I assure every mother, sister and daughter of Tamil Nadu, as soon as the NDA government comes in, we will focus on law and order. Criminals and drug mafias will be behind bars. NDA will ensure your safety, dignity, and empowerment. Friends, many people from Tamil Nadu were an important part of the freedom struggle. After we won freedom, our constitution makers, led by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, gave us a wonderful constitution. It lays the foundation for a strong democracy where everyone is equal. Every moment of my life, I have strived to uphold the values of the Constitution. I have been part of the movement to save our democracy during the emergency. Recently, I heard that someone from the DMK said that they do not fear me or my father. Let me say this clearly. In our democracy, nobody needs to fear anyone. So, when someone say they do not fear me, they are not criticizing me. They are actually appreciating my commitment to democratic values. Unknowingly, they have given me a badge of honor. Friends, when it comes to honesty in politics, K. Kamaraj ji set an example for the whole country. DMK is the example of the exact opposite. 365 crore cash for transfer came, 900 crore cash for jobs came, 1,000 crore cash for contracts came, 4,700 crore sand mining scam, 40,000 crore TAS MSc scam. Usually, ministers compete with each other in good work. In DMK, ministers compete with each other in scams. But who are they stealing from? From the poor, from the youth, from the farmers. Such a corrupt government has no moral right to continue. That is why the people of Tamil Nadu have decided to bring in an NDA government. We will give clean and efficient governance. Friends, Tamil Nadu kept Congress out of power in the state for 60 years. 6 decades. You were the first state to become Congress Mukta. For this, Congress took revenge against Tamil Nadu. It was Congress that gave away Kachitivu. Then DMK did not do anything. when Congress government was at the center and DMK was supporting them, their government issued a notification banning Jallikattu. Through an ordinance, it was we who ensured Jallikattu could continue. It was we who showed respect to Tamil culture by giving the Sengol a pride of place in the parliament. Friends, recently, India has concluded a historic trade agreement with the European Union. We are now linked with 28 advanced countries. Let me focus on what this means for Tamil Nadu. This is a golden opportunity for the youth, workers, farmers, and entrepreneurs. Tamil Nadu's textile industry, electronic and manufacturing, coastal seafood exporters, thousands of MSMEs, all of those will get new global market. More orders will come. More factories will expand. Farmers and fishermen will get better prices. And lots of new jobs will be created for Tamil Nadu's youth. Tamil Nadu's products will now get a chance to compete and win globally. But for all this to happen, there needs to be a government that is focused on your welfare. Only the NDA government can give a stable, people-oriented government in Tamil Nadu. We will ensure a developed Tamil Nadu and developed India. Thank you. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Vande. Vande. Vande.